We got some pork rind breaded chicken being cooked up by Papa Love. Howdy. Papa Love in the kitchen. And we got some Rigel getting his dinner meal over here. Is yours pork rind breaded too, Reggie? No? What else y'all do today?
We went to town and got some breakfast. We went to one of my favorite store shop things and a really good coffee shop, and ran a couple errands, went to the co-op, and then came back here. Or actually, we went to the building first, said hi to everyone, and then came back here.
Nice. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna crash this chicken.
What are we eating, Rigel?
What are we eating?
You don't know?
It's some ground elk, some ground venison, some
Bone
ground
broth.
liver, some bone broth.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're trying to get it in your mouth here. Here's a spoonful.
It's
You
a
want
little.
that?
It's big. Oh, haha, there we go.
You know what you get on this?
There you go. And hold it. There you go.
Mmm.
That face though. What do you think about that? Num 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 num.
Almost done with dinner over here. Working.
I was saying, you know what would be good? Like almond flour, like to make a white gravy.
Oh, that would be
Wouldn't
really
that be
good.
good?
We have one of those recipes on Keto Savage YouTube channel. Did we show inside here already? Ooh, we'll show you guys when it gets on the table. Bacon wrapped asparagus. Some people are having avocado. Mom's got a little salad going on. Chicken. I got a little salad, and Rigel is just devouring this. We got an injury over here.
What's up? Yeah, I don't really know what's going on. We were doing MMA yesterday, Jiu-jitsu, and I was rolling with Bryson, and he had me in like an ankle lock, but he didn't have me submitted. It wasn't hurting, but then we heard this like crazy loud pop, and it felt a little loose then, but nothing crazy. But now, the next morning, I've got very limited mobility, and it hurts quite a bit. So, not really sure what's going on. I think it's either meniscus or lateral collateral ligament, LCL. Not sure. We're gonna get an X-ray or something today.
So, today is the day we're supposed to do Christmas things, which we will still do. However, I might be putting the Christmas lights out on the outside of the house instead of Robert or my dad, because my dad had an injury too, falling off of a ladder. So, but it looks like we'll probably be taking a quick trip to probably just an urgent care. It's Saturday, so doctor's offices and things like that are not open. So we'll probably go to some sort of urgent care, see if we can get some x-rays or a MRI scheduled or an appointment with a knee specialist, and see what's going on with this little guy over here.
Yeah.
Stinker. What a stinker. But for now, he's icing it, elevating it, and doing all the things that we can. It happened last night, Saturday morning now, so I guess we'll check in with you guys later on that. How'd it go?
Pissed off on video. That's what Crystal said she wanted me to be. I just wasted 3 hours going to an urgent care center for a doctor that didn't even have me do a mobility test. Complete and utter waste of my time. I'm going to try and pay for an MRI out of pocket on Monday. That's what the status is currently.
We got an ice pack here. Fancy little ice pack. And he picked up a knee brace. So we also have some crutches that he used after the 50-mile march in I'm recommending he uses it. Whether he uses it or not, I don't know.
I don't have time to be injured.
All right. We're going to go eat some breakfast. Oh, Papa Love made us some breakfast this morning. We got eggs and cheese, some of the chicken that we had last night, some bacon, and some avocado. And I mentioned to him that we oftentimes invite people over so that they could cook us our meals. He cooked dinner last night and breakfast this morning, so we're getting quite spoiled over here. Pretty grateful for it. Robert's just sitting on his butt doing nothing. But we're gonna dive in and then get our Christmas day started.
What we doing, babe?
Just the four of us. We are at a Christmas tree farm. Now,
Christmas tree farm.
apparently, everyone and their brother gets their Christmas tree like before Thanksgiving even. So they're hoping to sell out before tomorrow. So we'll see what we get.
Here's Crystal and her folks being cute together.
We're being cute.
Being cute
I wanted
together.
to be here at the Christmas tree farm too.
Woo woo! Let me get the wreath. I will.
Robert with the broken leg is taking the whole tree. Dad's getting the wreath. It's gonna be so cute. And that's so cute. And that's so cute. Alright. Yay! Now you gotta take the netting off and then we'll be set. And there's the Pops with the big old wreath.
And a chip on my shoulder.
And I have a chip on his shoulder. We got some,
Okay.
what is that? What are those called again?
Huh?
What are those called again?
They're wood chips for the
pellets
Traeger.
for the grill because we're making some steaks.
What's up, Rigel? Are you decorating? Are you decorating? Yeah, you're decorating.
Alright, check it out. We got Crystal and Mama Love decorating the tree.
Some of these were on the tree when you were little.
I like it, I like it. You're looking very festive with your shirt there, babe. It
Yes.
matches the house.
We'll show the house after a bit, and we'll show Robert putting the star on, and
Can I get
all
up there?
things,
That's pretty.
huh?
That's pretty tall.
you got it.
The doctor asked me today if I was 5'7" or 5'8". I said 5'7.5".
This is very safe. Robert's up on the chair here. All right, we're putting the star on, people.
Putting the star on. All right.
It's officially Christmas time.
Kind of wobbly, but.
Yeah, that's how it was last year too.
All right.
All right.
Yay! Getting some steak and Brussels sprouts and kind of steak you got?
Ribeye
Got some
for me.
ribeye,
Bye.
some liquid death. So ribeye for Dad, filet mignon for Mom, filet mignon for me with some bacon,
Oh.
and
Rigel got?
and then Rigel's got what he had last night, the venison elk liver bone broth.
Loves it. He loves it so much.
Yum.
All right.
My hero is putting up my lights for me.
What's up?
Can't quite see them because it's light outside. Dad's holding the ladder, keeping everything steady here. Look at that beautiful wreath over there. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's gonna be so cute. Made some of these delicious cookies from Erin Day's Keto Sweet Tooth Cookbook. We also did a video on this on our YouTube channel. Giving all props to Erin Day.
All right, y'all. Crystal has showed you the house and all the decoration. All the decorating that has been done. We're gonna show you the grand finale. We got some tenderloins on the grill right now. We're gonna be having those here in a minute. We got some cabbage in the oven with butter. We'll have that too. But before we do, let's go look at the outside lights.
Robert really wanted me to point out this thing going on over here. Yeah. Santa hat on the deer head. In case you couldn't tell, we really like what is it called? Buffalo pattern? Buffalo,
just plaid.
Yeah, I know, but it's called buffalo something, right?
Red plaid.
Woo, we're really decked out over here. Matchy.
Yeah, buddy.
Hi, Rigel.
Alright, Rigel. Let's go see what we got out here. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh la la.
Woo! It does look pretty good.
Yeah. Goes on the side.
Last year, Robert only did it from that point to that point, and it was really sad. Alright.
We like it, we like it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a wrap on the vlog.
Yep.
See you next time. Happy New Year's. No. Happy
Merry
holidays, Merry
Christmas.
Christmas, all that good stuff. Much love. Ta-ta for now.
Merry Christmas.